Hey, sweetie. Say hi to Aunt Biffy. Say hi to Aunt Biffy. Let's come over here. Come here. Are you going to say hi to Aunt Biffy? Here, can you cut some of it, honey? Say hi to Aunt Biffy. Say hi to Aunt Biffy. Daddy, you want to hold her for a second while I do it? Come to Daddy.
Alright.
Say hi to Aunt Biffy.
Say hi, Aunt Biffy. You want to see Aunt Biffy?
Biffy.